이거 number 2, 시 number 2. 이쪽은 참보다 이 필요하니까.
어떤 건 도서?
누구
이거는
Fai perché si mette così. Che deve
맞아, 차보는 필요 세번다. BBF 한국이 되겠지. 그래? 코코이파 맞아.
Mi che più sono?
아니 그것까지 보여줘.
Non ho preso senso, giuro. Oddio, io non.
주요 보여줘. 재밌는 거
Lei mi ha
보여줘.
organizzato.
키워 나로. 이기냐? 허티나 키우는 바로.
Vorrei dire.
시리아. 주요가 자기 보고 재밌는 거. 주위에 하고 재밌는 거. 좀 잘하면서 코비치 부기리는 거야. 자기 바스 콜리지 이제 그거 비리 바추리 이쪽으로 futbol을 하지. 이쪽은 하게 같이 프리미어 거라고. 이제 참 놀라운데 아까 못 알아도 쉬운 정말 루카스 같은
Ah, tutti i tuoi sei.
쉬운 그 있어요. 뭐
Io ci io guarda. A te viene. Te passa un po'
시원하다.
ci tieni un ti vuoi no? Poi non va
Sai che io mi trovo a parlare con il proprio canale. Perché io mi come si dice? Yeah.
fresh.
One person, coffee knows of people.
Io ci sono le passate.
Un po' di giorni, so.
Ci sono
Che non è parlato di che nuova, io che non ho fatto. Ma sono sempre che ero che cosa. Sapevamo di che. Non bisogna più calcolo. E che si sa.
Te ne devo trovare.
Bisogna che uno o clienta, si può, non so. Ti mi sai che c'è. Plastic o come il che provo le come. Sono
For admission, item number 1.
In this matter, I'm appearing for the private respondent, complainant, but I don't think the PP is also here.
Okay. Petitioner is not there.
Yeah.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Least after 3 weeks.
No.
Least after 3 weeks. Are you filing any
No.
objection? Learned Counsel, Learned Government Advocate Bichano and appears for the state respondents and Mr. Eli Ralu for respondent 2 or respondent 3. Yes.
For orders, item number 2.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, in some of the, here in this matter, some of the divisions, the area has been paid, and some to the Drawal Authority has been issued, but because of the last pen-down strike, it could not be processed. So, some time may be given to us.
Okay.
4 weeks
Yes,
may be
some of
given.
them have received, isn't it?
Yes.
Have you confirmed?
Not yet.
You
But then if
confirmed?
the files are processing, then for that I don't have
Yes.
any objection.
Learned Counsel, Ms. V. Shukri, who's appearing for the respondents number
3 and 10.
3 and 10, submits that the payment of what? Areas?
Payment of areas, yes.
Payment of areas has been sanctioned for most of the petitioners. However, some of them are yet to be paid because of the pen down strike called recently by the government employees. So therefore, she has paid for some time to comply with the judgment. It is therefore it may be listed after.
4 weeks, Lordship.
Listed after 4 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 3.
Please, Ladyship. Ladyship, I have instruction to appear for respondent number 4. Last occasion I submitted, but I'm still yet to submit my power because of the strike.
No power.
Yes. So anyway, respondents are complying with the directive of the honorable court order. So can you grant 4 weeks time?
Regularization. This is for regularization,
Yes.
isn't it? Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. S. Walling is present. Stop. Learned Counsel, Mr. K. Angami appears for respondent number 4 and prays for how much time? 4
4
weeks.
weeks.
4 weeks to file his power as well as the affidavit. So Learned Counsel, Mr. N. Angami appears for
Respondent number 2, my
respondent number 2. So it is also submitted by the learned counsels for the respondents that the direction of this court is being complied with and it is under process.
Yes.
Is under process. So accordingly, this is the matter of the 4 weeks.
like you did.
For hearing, item number 4.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
My Lord, kindly take item number 5, my Lord. 4 and 5 out of the same FIR, my Lord. 2 petitioners, my Lord. My Lord, in item number 5.
But are you cooperating with the investigation?
Yes, my Lord. My Lord,
No,
kindly peruse, my Lord.
It appears that you are not cooperating.
My Lord, kindly peruse order dated 4/9/2025, my Lord. Passed by this honorable court, my Lord.
4/9?
4/9/2025.
Yes.
In item number 5, my Lord. Here, my Lord, the order has been passed, stating that, my Lord, the petitioner was granted bail, interim bail, my Lord, on 7/5/2025. And they were directed to cooperate. And accordingly, they have appeared and recorded their statement, my Lord. Here, my Lord, in this context, my Lord, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that, owing to some threats, he has not been able to appear. Because, my Lord, again, they have served a notice under section 35(3) BNSS, my Lord, after recording the statement. So, we have filed an additional affidavit, my Lord. It is in record. And thereafter, my Lord, we are directed to appear through online mode, my Lord. This order reflects the same, my Lord. In the meantime, the petitioner shall render full cooperation to the investigation. And for this purpose, he shall appear before the IO again as sought by the investigating authority. However, considering the apprehension expressed by the petitioner side, liberty is also given for such examination through online mode. And if the petitioners appear physically before the IO at Dimapur, the investigating authority shall do the needful for his safety and security. So by this order, my lord, we are permitted to appear before the investigating officer through, my lord, online mode, my lord. And accordingly, my lord, on 16/9/2025, we have appeared before the investigating officer. My statement has been recorded by the IO in the present case, my lord. So my submission before your lordship, my lord, the present petitioner in both the cases, my lord, they have appeared physically before the investigating officer at the Dimapur and recorded their statement, and my lord fully cooperated with the investigation. Later on, again, the notice has been served to the present petitioner, and accordingly, the counsel for the petitioner has submitted, my lord, an additional affidavit, and the dishonorable court has permitted the present petitioner to appear before the investigating officer through online mode. And accordingly, my lord, the petitioner appeared and recorded their statement, my lord.
Yes, PP.
Ladyship, this morning also I have spoken to the IO of the case. Now, the signature specimen of the accused is required, whereas the accused is not turning up and even telling the IO to contact his lawyers. On the
This
pretext of-
direction, what about this direction? 16/9/25 at
Yes.
1 p.m. That he has appeared.
yes, online. Yes,
Ah.
they have, yes, but now for specimens.
Specimen signature.
Yes.
Here, my lord, may I submit, my lord?
Yes, the accused has to be present physically to obtain the.
My lord,
Ah.
my lord, why we have filed this additional affidavit? Because of the threat, my lord. Because when, my lord, your
No,
lordship,
we will direct to send some security.
my lord, as my lord, I have recorded my statement physically before the investigating officer, and to that extent, my lord, I have filed an additional affidavit.
When did you appear physically?
My lord, we have appeared, my lord, on 3/6/2025. Kindly peruse, my lord, my affidavit, my lord, which was filed on 12/6/2025, my lord.
12/6.
Yes, my lord.
Which para?
My lord, in para number 3, my lord. Para number 2 is the direction of this honorable court. And para number 3, my lord. The petitioner begs to state that herein, in compliance with the direction dated 3/6/2025, passed by this honorable court, the petitioner, along with a suitable surety, reached the office of the Commissioner of Police, Dimapur, Nagaland, and informed the IO about his presence over phone in the office premises to record his statement. And accordingly, at 12:20 hours, one office personnel of the Commissioner of Police communicated the accused that the investigating officer asked the accused to appear before the office of the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Dimapur, Nagaland. That the accused, on instruction of the investigating officer, in order to cooperate with the investigation, immediately appeared before the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Dimapur, Nagaland. And on being appearance, it was surprisingly found that the informant of the case was sitting along with the IO at the aforesaid office. That the accused was made to sit in the office veranda till 1 p.m. and the accused was called by the IO, and surprisingly, the IO along with one senior officer interrogated the accused in front of the informant. And further, the concerned senior officer directed the IO to record the statement of the accused in a separate room as well, wherein also the informant was also present. So, my lord, as per the direction of this honorable court, so we are directed to appear before the Commissioner of Police, as the threat has been come from the informant side. So, my lord, we appeared. We appeared and recorded our statement. And for that purpose, my lord, I have submitted this, my lord, additional affidavit, my lord. In this said affidavit, my lord, also in para number 4, I have stated that the accused petitioner begs to state that during interrogation, the investigating officer, with the aid of the informant, have some few banks documents which show some amount transaction from the co-accused Wasif Rahman to the account of the present accused, which has actually created a suspicion in the mind of the investigating officer, and therefore the present accused clarified that the amount transferred was out of the previous transaction between the accused and the co-accused. As the co-accused and the present co-accused is in a business transaction from last 4 years with the accused, and there is nothing related to the present case, and the accused has been falsely impleaded in the present case on mere suspicion. So, my lord,
No,
we have
since the IO is saying that your signature, specimen signature is required, the court will direct to the IO, will direct the IO to provide security and you appear.
my lord, may I pray, my lord? We have
Yes.
we have appeared through online mode, my lord. So
No, through
may I,
online, only certain statements can be taken, but
my lord, my
specimen signature
specific
cannot be
signature,
obtained online.
my signature may be sent by digitally, my lord.
By
Digital signature.
digital signature.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
That is, see, there's no serious threat. There's no serious threat. Security cable provided. Now it is sent through digital. Then when
What sort
during
of
trials,
threat? What sort of threat are you talking about?
My lord, I have not stated in my affidavit, but my lord, when we appeared before, along with the petitioner, my lord, personally, the counsel for the petitioner appeared before the superintendent of police, my lord, before the IO. So we have treated, my lord, some persons of the informant. Then we have treated. I personally appeared before the officer, my lord. So, my lord, my humble submission before this honorable court, my lord, as the counsel of this petitioner, I also received some messages and phone calls, my lord.
No,
So,
no.
my submission, as earlier, my lord,
The
or
court will
lordship,
make sure
lordship,
to give a direction that no other person should be present.
yes, yes,
No
yes,
other
yes,
person should be
yes.
present. So we'll
my,
give it.
my
Because
lord,
you also know how investigation is
my
conducted.
lord, my lord, my lord.
Online without meeting, that doesn't serve the purpose. Okay. So we will give a direction for you to appear on a certain date, and we'll direct the IO also to give security, provide security, and to ensure that no other person is present. Okay. Because otherwise the court is not satisfied to, allow this petition like this at this stage.
My lord, my lord, my submission
It
before your
appears
lordship,
that the accused is not cooperating fully.
my
Yes,
lord.
heard learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Your name?
My
Your
lord,
name?
I'm DJ Haloy, my lord.
J. Haloy. Stop. Also heard learned PP, Mr. N. Angami. K. Angami for the state respondent. Stop. At the outset, the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner has filed 2 affidavits before this court stating that he has appeared before the investigating authority and has complied with the directions of this court. So, however, the learned PP submits that he had a telephonic conversation with the IO of the case even this morning, and the IO has informed him that the specimen signature of the accused is required, and he has been summoned, but he has failed to appear before the IO. Stop. Para. Considering the above circumstances, this court is of the view
Yes, sir, people pardon me.
that the petitioner should appear before the IO to give his specimen signature on date. Give a date. When
My
can he?
lord, my lord, any date, my lord, after 3 weeks, my lord.
No, not after 3 weeks. Today
My lord,
is 11th, so you appear on 18th. Okay.
on 24, okay,
Okay, to appear
on
before the
24, my lord.
appear before the IO of the case on 24th November 2025 at 1 p.m. At 1 p.m. Stop. The IO of the case is also directed to provide security to the petitioner / accused, and also ensure that no other person is present when the accused / petitioner is examined. Stop. That will do. Yes. List.
My lord,
of-
may I pray for recording this for the signature? May I pray for a different place of location for my, not in the office of the investigating officer. It may be, my lord, on a superintendent of police, my lord, in the office of the
Commissioner?
In the office of the Commissioner of Police.
Same company.
Same complex. Okay. The petitioner / accused shall appear before the IO in the office of the Commissioner of Police, Dimapur, Nagaland. Stop. Thereafter, the status report will be submitted by the IO to the learned PP. Stop. List on 27. No, they are appearing on 24th, so 25th. Okay, or will that be too early?
And if possible, leadership.
27th then. List on 27th. List on 27, 11. Yes.
my lord. May I pray on 2nd of December, my lord?
Second.
Second,
In that case, 4th.
4th.
Yes.
Okay, 4th December. Both cases same order.
My lord, yes, my lord. Both cases, my lord.
Same order.
Yes.